Hey there! Welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy. I'm Izzy, your friendly financial guide, here to help you navigate the world of money with ease. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's near and dear to all of our hearts: saving money on expenses. Now, we all know that saving money is important, but what do we do with those savings? How can we handle them in a way that benefits us in the long run? Well, I've got some interesting, educational, and helpful facts for you today that will shed some light on this very question. First off, one of the best things you can do when you save money on expenses is to create an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having a financial safety net can provide you with peace of mind. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account that you can easily access in case of emergencies. Next, consider investing your savings. Investing allows your money to work for you and grow over time. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, but there are plenty of resources out there to help you get started. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, there's an investment option out there that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Another way to handle your savings is to pay off high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt or loans with high interest rates, using your savings to pay them off can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Not only will you be debt-free sooner, but you'll also have more money available to save and invest in the future. If you're already debt-free and have a solid emergency fund, consider saving for specific goals. Whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or starting your own business, having a clear goal in mind can help you stay motivated and focused on your savings journey. Lastly, don't forget to reward yourself along the way. Saving money doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. Treat yourself to something small every now and then as a way to celebrate your progress. It's important to strike a balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present. Remember, handling your savings is all about finding a strategy that works for you. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Take the time to educate yourself, seek advice from professionals if needed, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. Building wealth takes time, but with the right mindset and a little bit of discipline, you can achieve your financial goals. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these facts helpful and that they inspire you to take control of your savings. As always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.